And this, of course, is the glorious 6G72 3-litre engine from way back in the day. Of course, the obligatory huge battery. All four-wheel drive should have large batteries. A transmission cooler in the front, and this engine has been rebuilt. So it's not as old as the vehicle, but the vehicle, oh, the mileage makes you think it's going to be horrible. It's not. And here we have the mileage at 323,943 kilometres. But of course that's only the body of the vehicle. Even the inside of it makes you think, no, it hasn't gone that far. I don't know, somebody put a different speedo in it or something? This is like a 12-month-old car. Just slightly older technology. Anyway, that's what you get when you find something that's been stored in a garage, undercover, for many, 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 many seasons, not just moons. Let's all look at a 1991 V6 Pajero. We have got a little bit of a leak somewhere. Yep. Yeah, but moreover, the catalytic converter itself is rusted out. Mitsubishi did not use stainless steel catalytic converters. They had cast at the back, cast at the front, but the body was only mild steel, and well, they rot out. As you can see there. So this thing needs, from this joint, all the way back. Now, to give the customer some options, because I love giving people options. I used to get in trouble for wanting to give people options at a previous employer. Not anymore, because people don't always want to spend too much. Sometimes they want it quiet. Sometimes they want better fuel economy. Either way, options. So, keep watching. The catalytic converter was a little bit of fun, with a donor conical plate and flaring the end to suit the gasket, because it's no longer the spring-loaded affair that it was. But it does fit up in the exact correct place, and of course fully braced. That is a cat assembly, and of course from there back we can have the muffler and the tailpipe. Did I mention muffler? Here we go. It's upside down because it's got wet paint at the moment. What a perfect time to make up part of the video. Oh yeah, there we go. And this is where it comes up over the axle, but you'll get to see this in just a moment. In video time anyway. Alright, this is where that lives. Comes back to here, so the tail can be disassembled. You cannot get the whole thing in and out in one piece. That's just the way they're designed. And I'll show you in a moment the carnage that was removed from the vehicle. Phone then. Yeah, let's go and have a look. I'll show you the cat in a minute. This is a slightly over-engineered, over the top of the crossmember pipe. It's about the only part that wasn't shot. That is the bottom of the muffler. Okay. The top's there. But look at the tailpipe, which is part of it. Full of holes. Let's not try to resurrect that old piece. Just made all new and not as choked up as it was. Alright, let's have a good look at this catalytic converter, or the remains of it. That's the big spring loading area which pre-tensions it. But Mitsubishi did not use stainless in the body of their cats, which is all rotted away up in there. A sad thing for a four-wheel drive. For some reason, cast iron on the ends. Why? I don't know. So there we have it all completed, tucked up nice and high. As promised, the joint at the back in case he needs to pull it out for any reason, or if he backs into something and he destroys tow bar doing it, but anyway, things can be dealt with. Even if it just means being able to get to the springs. It's easy. Just undo it there, pop it off the mount, full access to everything. It's all been checked for leaks. You'll get to hear it a bit later if I can grab the phone in time when the customer drives off. And there we have it. Not a 5-minute job. Took a few hours, but done as promised. And there are no aftermarket parts for them anymore. You just can't get them. It's easy as that. So you bring it to me, I'll make it. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, that's about it. 1991 Pajero. High mileage vehicle, but not on the engine. The engine is rebuilt. It had been sitting for many, many years. 328,000 on the clock, but that's only the body. And no rust. I don't know the last time I saw a Pajero of this vintage that wasn't riddled with rust. Seen one now, kind of a delight to work on. So, manufacturing, saving parts if I can, inventing parts if I have to, 290 Albert Street in Maryborough, Queensland. Give me a call on 0741216733. People who send me little messages and reply to posts, how much for this, can you do that? I don't get to watch all of the videos and all the comments. I just don't have the time. So, hello, you're probably on a phone watching this now. Give me a call. Thank you. Comment, like, share. Boost me up so more people get to see what can happen bit by bit if other people also make these videos. I don't know. There's a few stores out there that do, but they never actually show how it's done. I didn't get to show you too much of this one. I didn't have time. Anyway, more videos next occasion. Thanks for watching. And there goes David, a repeat customer. Very happy with it. Breathe that little bit better than standard. And again, there are no parts available for those. He was mentioning how he pretty much can't get anything for that car. So, people like me, they'll help you out.